Hello everyone, in this video of how to work with PowerPoint, we are going to learn one of the most useful feature available in PowerPoint. That is to insert Word or Excel document into our slides. We usually don't put a lot of data on our slides, but sometimes we need to show the statistics or an additional data to our viewers. In that case, we have a very good option that we insert the documents for reference and use them whenever we need to refer them. To do that, we just simply go to the insert option. Here, the three options are coming. First for date and time, second for slide numbers, and that is to insert an object. We are going to use this option. Here we have another option, create from file, and we can browse file from here which we want to refer during our presentation. Now here I've saved this file as Fix of SEO, and I'm going to insert this file as an icon. I've just placed it here, and now during my presentation, when I need to refer to the data available in that document, I just click on that and the data is visible to my audience. In that way, I don't clutter my site and at the same time take data available for my audience. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.